Hello everyone, and welcome back to another lesson on Microsoft Excel. In this lesson we're going to go over absolute versus relevant reference. Now what are these? Referencing is basically when you sum in, or if you calculate an amount, how is that calculation formatted or presented. So let's go ahead to Microsoft Excel to make you understand more deeply how these work. So here in Microsoft Excel, you can see I have a chart over here, and in the chart I have some top total sales over here which are indicated as dollars. So if you want to know how you did this, you just simply go over to this home ribbon and you'll find this number compartment, and you can just simply select any type of currency you want. If you want to apply pounds, you'll find the United Kingdom pound here as well. So I'm just going to keep it in dollars. So I'm just going to keep it like that. All right. So after doing that, what I need to do here is I want to find out the bonus. Now, traditionally, if I want to add something, I can just simply add it just like this, right? If I want to add this 10 and 20, I can just simply type in sum and then give a bracket. And I can just simply select these two compartments and just close parenthesis and then press enter. You can see the value comes up. Now, if you take a look over here, if I want to give the bonus from over here, is I can just simply type in, let's say if I want to put this sales up with this 2%, I can just simply type in this and then add the number. And I'm going to multiply this time, and then I'm going to add this number right over here, which is K1. And if I press enter, you can see we got all our values. Now, what I can do here is I need the values of all of these. So I can just auto-fill them just like that, right? Now you can see that the values are not available. Now why is that? That is because this reference or this value is only applicable for this reference over here. I haven't locked it. Now to lock it, I can do it very simply as well. For instance, let's drag all of these, press delete, everything will be deleted. Now, for instance, if I want to add every single number, what I can do here is first the equal sign, and then what I can do is I can just select this over here, but what I need to select next is this F4 button. So as soon as I click on F4, you can see that it gives a value of $1, right? So now if I select here, and now let's press F4, you can see that it selects this value, right? So for this to happen, we just need to simply go over here and type in again. Let's first type in sum, give a parenthesis, and inside we're going to select this cell over here. After doing that, I'm just going to give in a multiplication, and then I'm going to select this cell K1. Now to make this K1 absolute, I need to press on F4. Now you can see once I press on F4, a $sign comes in, which indicates that it has been absolute. So let's close the parenthesis and press enter. You can see our value, and now I can drag them all down. To drag them all down, we just need to simply press here and just press this plus button, drag it all down, and you can see we have our values right over here, okay? So that's basically what cell references are. So basic cell reference are this one, okay? These are also known as relevant cell references, but the item that we did right now is actually called absolute cell reference. So those are the difference, and this is the comparison between these two, okay? So I hope this was helpful for you guys. I hope you understood this lesson, and if you have any problem, you can contact us, no problem. We're always here to help you guys. With this, I'm going to end this lesson right over here.